curiosity drives car enthusiasts toward machines that never followed normal rules. Across automotive history, a few trucks appear that look nothing like traditional pickups. Each one proves that creativity sometimes produces the strangest vehicles ever built. 8. Subaru Brat, 1978 to 1987. Creative automotive ideas sometimes emerge when manufacturers attempt to combine completely different types of vehicles. The Subaru Brat is one of the most unusual results of that experimentation. Introduced in 1978, the Brat blended the comfort and driving characteristics of a compact passenger car with the cargo versatility of a pickup truck. The name Brat stood for Bi-Drive Recreational All-Terrain Transporter, which reflected Subaru's goal of building a vehicle that could handle both daily driving and outdoor adventures. Unlike traditional pickup trucks that used heavy body-on-frame construction, the Brat was built on a lightweight unibody platform derived from the Subaru Leone. Power came from Subaru's dependable 1.8-liter EA81 flat-4 engine, producing approximately 94 horsepower and around 103 pound-feet of torque. The horizontally opposed engine design helped keep the center of gravity low, which improved stability and handling. With a curb weight of roughly 2,400 pounds, the Subaru Brat could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 11.5 seconds. The compact pickup reached a top speed of around 98 miles per hour, making it surprisingly capable for a small utility vehicle of the late 1970s and early 1980s. One of the Brat's most famous features was its unusual cargo bed seating arrangement. Subaru installed 2 rear-facing jump seats directly in the truck bed. These seats were not simply a design choice. They were added to help classify the vehicle as a passenger car in certain markets, avoiding import taxes applied to trucks. Another important feature of the Brat was Subaru's early four-wheel drive system. This system gave the small pickup excellent traction on dirt roads, snow-covered streets, and rough terrain. The Brat's lightweight construction also helped it remain agile compared with larger trucks. Drivers often found it easier to maneuver in tight spaces or narrow trails. Visually, the vehicle stood out immediately. Sharp body lines, bold decals, and compact proportions gave the Brat a distinctive personality that separated it from conventional pickups. Inside the cabin, the interior remained simple but practical. Clear gauges, straightforward controls, and durable materials suited the vehicle's adventurous character. Although the Subaru Brat was never designed to compete with full-size trucks, its combination of versatility, off-road capability, and quirky design helped it gain a loyal following. Today, the Brat remains one of the most unique pickup-style vehicles ever produced. 7. Chevrolet Corvair, 95 ramp side, 1961 to 1964. Unusual engineering experiments sometimes produce vehicles that stand out decades later. And the Chevrolet Corvair 95 ramp side is one of the most fascinating examples. Introduced in the early 1960s, the ramp side was part of Chevrolet's Corvair truck lineup, which used a radically different design compared with traditional American pickups. Instead of placing the engine in the front, like most trucks of the time, Chevrolet mounted the powertrain at the rear of the vehicle. This layout was borrowed from the Corvair passenger cars and helped create a flat cargo floor with improved load accessibility. Power came from an air-cooled 2.4-liter flat-six engine, producing around 95 horsepower and approximately 125 pound-feet of torque. Although these numbers were modest compared with larger V8-powered trucks, the engine delivered smooth and reliable performance. With a curb weight of roughly 2,900 pounds, the Corvair ramp side could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 14.5 seconds. The truck reached a top speed of approximately 85 miles per hour, which was respectable for a compact utility vehicle of the early 1960s. What truly made the ramp side unique was its innovative loading system. Chevrolet designed a large fold-down side panel that acted as a built-in ramp. This allowed workers to easily roll motorcycles, machinery, or heavy equipment directly into the cargo bed. The design made the truck extremely practical for certain types of businesses and trades. Another distinctive feature was the truck's independent suspension system. While most pickups of the era used rigid rear axles and stiff springs, the Corvette